Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? Hope you're good. So, Easter Sunday, Diamond Sam and the kids are pulling in a driveway, and Amazon shows up. Riley comes around the corner because me and Scott are sitting outside. And Riley hands me an Amazon box, and I looked at Diamond and I'm like, I didn't order from Amazon. And thing is we, for some reason, Amazon people sometimes are idiots because we get a lot of orders that belong to our neighbor. So we have to look close at our boxes. So I looked and nope, it was addressed to me. So I said to Diamond, did you order anything? Because Diamond will sometimes send Amazon here. So nobody steals it when she's at school from her house. She's had it happen. So, and she knows I'm usually around. So she's like, I didn't order anything, Mom. So Riley was all excited. So Riley wanted to open the box. So she opened the box. And it, the typical packing. And then there was this. And it says, keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. I'm like, cool. Came in this cool little bag. And I already opened it. Of course, the wonders will take you. And this bag has handles inside. Isn't that cool? It's a nice little bag. And then there's this. A box of hugs. Well, at least you don't have to wear a cone. I love, the box. It looks like a paint pour. And it's just, after sales service, our customer service is friendly. Please contact us if needed. A refund or replacement, technical support, packaging is not perfect condition. Blah, blah, blah. So, you open it. And it's, ta-da! This was all wrapped individually. And it says, well, at least you don't have to wear a cone. Get well soon. Sending you big hugs to brighten your day. And you get a nice little pair of socks. And they got the little heart. And they smell. Oh my God, they smell so good. Now, everybody has their own opinion. Diamond, Sam, Scott, Leah. I said it smelled like ocean to me. Diamond says lilacs or lavender. Scott said blooms, and Sam's like, oh, Leah thought like I thought, like an ocean. So you got a little bar of soap, and it says Diamond Soap, soothing and moisturizing, which smells so pretty. You got a bath bomb. You got a Canna, natural handmade aromatherapy plant candles, and it says, natural handmade plant candles. Thank you for occupying me with your thoughts. Or accompanying me with your thoughts. Scented candles, natural plant wax. Let's have a good time. And yeah, it smells really good. And then it's just this little candle, and it says brighten your day, natural soy wax. And then it says big hugs. I hope you're on the mend. To me, it smells like an ocean. An ocean scent. Then you got a cup or mug. Life is tough, but so are you. Nice. I've got to watch that. And a bell with a happy face on. So I was like, oh my God, this is so cool. So then I'm like, who sent me this? So and it says, a gift for you. Don't drive Scott too crazy with that bell. Hope you are on the mend fast. Kathy. Cat. And Mr. Pete from Kathy Volante. Miss Cat's Crafting. She made my day on Sunday. This was so thoughtful of her. I did not expect this. I like how they did the envelope. Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. And I love the bell. The funny thing is about the bell, as when Scott's mom was sick and Scott's dad was sick, we had a bell so they could get our attention. Scott's dad called it the Scooter Coming bell because he used to call Scott when he was little, Scooter. Scooter come, So when Dad was sick, he rang the bell, and I came in the room, and I'm like, yes, Dad. And he goes, you're not Scooter. I guess I should have got you your own bell so he could use different bells to take my attention to Scott's. So the bell, I just laughed. So I wearing it the other night for Scott. I'm like, you hear that? And he goes, yeah, get used to it. I said. So thank you so much, Miss Cat and Pete. I mean, this is so thoughtful of you. And I can't wait when I can get... I said to Scott, do I want to use it before the surgery or after? Scott's like, why don't you save it till after? And I'm like, well, I may not be... Because I have a jet tub. I wanted a hot tub. And there were so many regulations in Green Bay to get a hot tub. So we got a jet tub. Because I love baths. And Scott says, I said, but if I have a thing on my hand, he says, there's these things you can buy to put over your hands so you don't get it wet when you have a cast or something. Scott, they're at the pharmacy, Scott said. So Scott's going to pick me up one of them. And he says, maybe after your surgery, a few days, we'll run you a jet bath and you can use your stuff. And I'm like, okay, sounds good. I'll help you get in and out of it because my jet tub's deep. So I'm looking. It's such a nice surprise. I can't wait. Thank you so much, Kathy and Mr. Pete. And as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.